Bro, I've been playing this game for like 2 minutes, and this does not look like what is what. what Yo, who's shooting me? I'm on your team. Stop. Alright. Oh, homie. Homie. Chill.
Perfect.
Oh. Yeah, how you
Man,
how you,
shut your.
okay, so this is like Call of Duty, but it's not.
Huh?
So yeah. Why does he have a sniper rifle? Yeah. A sniper rifle. Why does he have a sniper rifle? Okay, so I was like, why do y'all keep murdering him? No, how do I choose my other weapon?
Yeah, boy.
Hey, I'm getting sprayed! Okay, yes, equip this gun. Cause this, I don't, equip the Thompson. Thompson got that full range. Okay. Yeah, that recoil is good. Reload, yo. Oh, yo, you gotta kill me. So, I think I chose the wrong team. We're at. We're dumb. It sucks. So, why y'all evacuating, bro? We have to kill. If I die one more time, I'm gonna die in real life.
In GTA, of course.
And,
Perfect.
oh, I just merged. But did I kill the other guy? Or is he? Okay, that's good. That's me. Level 2, and I'm already doing the best, bro. I'm so good. They about to see my aftershockness of the fight.
What'd he say?
We have to. Alright, okay, listen. I'm playing this. You have to lock in when you're playing games like this. Like Fortnite. But Call of Duty. Oh, this graphic. Oh, yeah, this looks good. Cause, like, when you play in Call of Duty, you have to have, like, your stuff unlocked. Like, y'all get it?
Hell no.
What's that? I remember that, bro. I remember that. Oh my god. I was gonna shoot that. Okay, I turned my sensitivity up because I was turning a little too slow. Now I got my victor. Now why are you get the gun? Did he just steal my kill? Who's that? Stuff King? Okay. Okay, I'm low. Get that. Please. My mom. Where am I going? Okay. 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 Why am I saying okay? Social. Why am I running into Washington? Gary. Your name's Gary? Yeah. Good. Good. Oh, hey, how? No. You calm down, that's right. Go. Go. That's all. Reload. Every time you go in battle, you have to reload. Hey, hold up. Hold up. Man. Chill with me. Chill. Reload. Okay, just switch back to your K card 8, 9. Yeah, your card. Question. So still the my fault. Yeah.
Perfect.
Come on. Evacuate. Abort mission. Okay. I'll have this your ID. Yeah. Real. Remember, every time you. All right. But listen, every time you go into battle, reload your stuff. Cause like if it's not all the way up, You not all the way up, and you're gonna get all the way up in, and you're gonna be all the way up in. Gonna be all the way up in grade.
Man, shut your.
Probably have a feeling that me and Gary. I saw Gary. Don't wanna do things she don't wanna do. Shoot him. But you're good. Oh, I need to stop hitting my stuff. Okay, so fine. Hey, you. What's your name? What's your name? Hey, Roblox. Move the gap. Right? I got Roblox. Move the gap on my. Yeah, that's good. Good. Oh, okay. We have some. Freak. Here she. Shoot. I suck. These yards are shoot. Okay. But I keep dying, bro. This is not a good reputation for me, bro. I'm good at games, bro. I'm good at. So am I not shooting? Yeah, I'm not shooting it. Obviously not shooting it. Yes. Even though I was moving so slowly. It's good. Hop on the box. Hi. I'm done though.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you.